Everybody. So far, we have looked at our country's geographic, economic, and cultural factors. Looking back at your research, I want you to name one thing that you've learned that makes you want to do business with this country. It could be anything that you have researched, found, learned, thought was exciting, interesting, kind of remotely fun, but one thing that would make you want to do business with this country on some level. Our objective today, we're going to research and identify key components regarding the political and legal factors for this country as it pertains to business and economy. We also are going to present our research findings in a video format. You are going to use the Screencast-O-Matic, which is what I'm using right now to record this video. We're also going to learn about our other countries by reviewing classmates' presentations. Why are we doing this? Number one, to help you complete your project. Number two, to help you see how important it is to understand other countries as well as our own prior to doing business, and to give you a chance to show off your project and presentation. So looking at political and legal factors, this includes government system, political stability, trade barriers, and business regulations. These are the things that you're going to research today. So use the internet to find credible online sources about your chosen country's political and legal factors. What type of government system do they have? Are they a democracy? Are they communist? Or is it socialism? How much involvement does that government have in business, trades, in business in general? Number two, what does the political stability look like? Is it an election year? Usually, countries are very unstable in those years. Is a monarchy in place? Has it been there for a long time? Again, how stable is that government? Trade barriers. Are there any trade barriers? Are there tariffs? Are there boycotts on items? How much control does the government have on trade? And then what type of laws and regulations are in place for businesses to follow in this country? Okay, so research laws and business. In the text, it says, each day you encounter examples of government influence on business, which is very true. Governments here regulate fair advertising and enforce contracts. If someone breaks their contract, we can go after them and sue them. They require safety inspections of food and medicine, again, FDA. People in the United States have a great deal of freedom in their business activities. If I choose to start a business, I get the legal permits, I get my license, and I'm good to start a business. I have to obviously follow the rules and regulations for safety, but they're not coming in and dictating what I can and cannot do. In many places, the activities of consumers and business operators are very restricted. Okay. The most common political and legal factors that affect international business include the government, the stability of the government, and government policies toward business. So once you research about your political and legal factors, I want you to add them to your presentation. You're going to create these different information on different slides. Add as much detail as you can. Obviously, we want to be as informative as possible. Then you want to add pictures, animations, transitions, and finally you want to put your works cited in the speaker's notes. After you are finished with your slides, you need to review them, make sure your spelling is accurate, make sure you like the way they transition, and then you are going to record them. So to record your presentation, use Screencast-O-Matic and load the recorder. It is simple. You click on the button and it will load up the recorder for you. Again, it's the same program I'm using now. Okay, record yourself and your presentation, and then you will save it and upload it to the country presentation discussion board. After you are done, I want you to watch 3 or 4 of your classmates' videos and leave comments stating if you would do business in or with this country and why. Be specific. Make sure you cite something specifically from their presentation. Maybe it's easy regulations for business, or they have a government system that you like, or some of their geographical factors really fit what you want to do with your business. Okay, be specific in your responses. If you have any questions or need any assistance with any of the programs, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'll be available all day. just let me know, and I look forward to seeing your videos and looking at your presentations. You will also turn in your presentation separately onto Schoology. Okay, so you turn in your presentation and your video. One goes to an assignment, the other goes to the discussion board. All right, let me know if you have any questions.